Hello guys, welcome once again to a new video. In today's video I would like to show you how to install and remove the middle seat belt in any SUV. So first of all, you have here on the upper part the seat belt, and the seat belt has two inserts, one normal insert, you see it here like this, and one small one. This small one goes through here like this, and then you have this other part that goes in here, and this is how you have a middle seat belt. But a lot of people don't know how to remove afterwards this part here. So if you don't have a clear indication on your car how to do this, well, it's really simple, because as you can see, you don't have a release button like this, but instead you have this seam here. So you take this part here and you just insert it here, and this will remove it like this. There are other cars that don't have this seam here, but they have something on this part here, and you have to remove push it like this. So yeah, this is a short video showing you how to remove and install this middle seat belt. Hope you enjoy it. If yes, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please let them in the comment section below. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.